Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, you are highly welcome. My name is Rebecca. Please do not forget to click on that subscribe button and become part of the amazing family today. And also remember to turn on your notification so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload new video. So guys, in today's video I will share with you how I made this delicious authentic ogbono soup with okra using spinach. And if you like to see how I made this, please keep watching. So to begin, we have to season my already washed meat with seasoning cube, salt, and chopped onions. This meat is consists of cow foot, cow tripe, which is Shaki, and goat's meat. Then I will start to combine, add a little bit of water, and cover to cook. And here I have already blended ogbono with fresh okra. As for the okra, I will just go ahead and wash with salt. Then I will slice it or that blend. Yeah, you can blend it as well. After that, I will pick and cut my vegetables. This is spinach. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Then I will cut it and keep it aside. And so my old and new subscribers, thank you all so much. You guys are so amazing. Thank you for your support. Thank you. I appreciate. Here I have Scotch bonnet pepper, which is also called fresh pepper. Then I will chop it along with crayfish, already washed crayfish. At this point, I will just go ahead to remove the goat meat while the other meat will continue cooking. You know the goat meat gets cooked on time. So because of that, I will remove it and keep it aside. So now we'll just go ahead to debone the dried mackerel fish, and I'll be using 2.5. Mind you, all what I'm using here is totally optional. Use your preference, your choices. Yeah. I actually dried this fish myself. Yeah, I'm saying it because of those that are new here. And if you're interested, I have the video. Yeah, you can go and watch it. But mind you, this is not this is new one. No, I did this one recently. So now go ahead and add the fish to the cooking meat. After that, I will add in the chopped crayfish and Scotch bonnet pepper. And I will stir to combine. Then I will add a little bit of water. Then cover. In a small dry pot, I will add in the blended ogbono. Make sure there's no water inside the pot or plate, yeah, whichever one you use. And I will add red oil, then mix to combine. And I'll keep stirring consistently on a low heat. Do not leave it. I'm not going to leave it until I get the desired texture, yeah, which is this. Now we add the ogbono. And I will stir thoroughly. Then leave it on heat to cook for about 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, I will add in the okra. You can also call it okra. I think, yeah, some people call it okra. Then I will stir to combine. And after adding the okra, we'll go ahead and add the pre-cooked goat's meat. And at this point, I will add a little bit of seasoning cube. I'm not adding salt again. Then add a little bit of water, stir. Then I will add in the vegetables, stir, and leave it to cook for about 2 minutes. And two tip when you're cooking your ogbono, your draw soup, whichever draw soup you're cooking. Number one, do not cover. Two, as far as you are going to use vegetable, do not add a lot of water at first. You see now, as soon as I add vegetable, the soup has loosened a bit. You can see it. So guys, ogbono soup and okra with spinach is finally ready. Let me know what you think in the comments. And I'll be eating mine with pounded yam. And please, if you enjoy what you see, do not forget to like, share, and leave a comment. And I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.